Hello neighbors, today I'm going to share with you a quick video on how to do portion controlling. I learned this clever tip a few years ago when I saw a friend that was trying to lose weight, and she was doing really good with it. So as you saw in the title, let's freeze that rice. First thing, of course, is we're going to make some fresh rice.
This is great if you live alone.
Or if you want to cut down waste. Sometimes you make too much rice and it just sits in that rice cooker for days and it gets all hard on the edges. You know what I'm talking about? Shh. It's almost time for my #1 favorite song. That's right. Let's go. You do want to give it a quick stir. The key thing is to put this into bags and in the freezer quickly. That way you get 0 drop in quality. It's gonna taste like fresh rice. But first, one thing, I want you to see how much rice you actually eat. For me, it's this much, and I'm just curious. Let's see how much cups of rice this actually is. All right. Actually, yeah, that's exactly 1 cup. If you want to do portion controlling, when you save it, let's do half a cup, which is pretty drastic, or you can do 3/4 cup. Right now, I want to lose some weight for the summer. I gotta get into my bikini, so I'm gonna do half. All right, that's
Just
1.
like that. Tighten it up and then roll it.
Like a little rice ball. Tie it off in a knot. And I forgot to show you. I want to show you what this rice looks up close when it's hot. Take a look. It's very sticky, very nice, delicious, right? And then we're gonna do a comparison soon. Continue bagging it up. Let's fill out like 7 days worth, 1 week. Also, instead of using plastic bags, you can go ahead and use those glass Tupperwares, you know, those small ones, or saran wrap. All right guys, and then the rest Katie and I are gonna eat today, so you can just leave that behind. Take the rice and then straight into the freezer. All right, let's do a little quality test after they're frozen. Next time you're really hungry, you just came back from a run, or you just been studying and you're really hungry, instead of reaching for a big scoop of rice, no, we're gonna reach into our freezer, pull out 1 prepackaged half cup of rice. Do no thinking, don't think, don't burn a calorie thinking. It's rock solid. Take a pair of scissors. If you're using those glass Tupperwares, even faster. No need to do anything. Put the snowball into a cup. Very good. Good. Alright, that should be good enough. T-Rex, don't bite the rice. Thank you. And why am I showing you this? Just to show you that the quality doesn't fall when you freeze. Let's do a little hot.
Whereas if you left it sitting in the rice cooker, no matter how good or expensive the rice cooker is, it will go brown.
잠깐만. Dig into it, Katie.
Look at this 쫀득ness.
Just as much moisture. It's still very sticky. Oh, it's hot! As advertised, same quality rice, but half the portion.
So cheesy.
Cut.